Welcome back to our channel, kids. Today I am excited to teach all of you days of the week. Well, stick around to learn and have fun. Good morning, my wonderful class.
Good morning, teacher.
Today we're going on an adventure to learn about the days of the week. Are you ready?
Yes, teacher.
Great. Let's start with Monday. Can anyone tell me what happens on Mondays?
We go back to school.
That's right. Mondays are for learning and having fun with friends. Now, let's all say together, Monday, Monday, let's learn and play.
Monday, Monday, let's learn and play.
Wonderful. Now, what comes after Monday?
Tuesday.
Yes. And on Tuesdays, we tackle new challenges. Let's say together, Tuesday, Tuesday, let's explore and discover.
Tuesday, Tuesday, let's explore and discover.
Fantastic. Moving on, who can tell me what day comes after Tuesday?
Wednesday.
Correct. Wednesdays are for creativity and imagination. Let's all say, Wednesday, Wednesday, let's create and dream.
Wednesday, Wednesday, let's create and dream.
Brilliant. Now, what about the next day?
Thursday.
That's right. Thursdays are for teamwork and helping each other. Thursday, Thursday, let's share and care. Wonderful. We're almost there. What's the day after Thursday?
Friday.
Yes. Fridays are for fun and celebration. Friday, Friday, let's dance and play. Wonderful. We're almost there. What are the last 2 days of the week?
Saturday and Sunday.
Absolutely. Saturday and Sunday are for adventures and exploring. Saturday, Saturday, let's go and play. Fantastic job, everyone. You've learned the days of the week with enthusiasm and joy. Give yourselves a big round of applause. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.